Look at them come. Little piggies. So today we got some odd jobs to do. Maybe get through the garden a little bit. Watered in here yesterday and we have some serious growth happening. Gonna relocate bales in the bale yard. Alright, so we're just going to restack this hay. We're gonna do a double up stack instead. We just need more space. Yeah, we're gonna get to that right away. Just make a little more room and tidy up the yard here a bit. Moving all that stuff. Just dropped a little kick out in for the hogs. They're getting excited here. Something new to pick at, and this cleared up the whole lot here. We were just about out of room, and now we got it all into 3 rows. I don't know how much hay we got left coming off that 80. We haven't even started cutting yet, so it's hard to say. Could be 100 bales, could be 200 bales. Who knows? Now I'm thinking I'm gonna just fill in this hole here. Go get some clay, crown this off. Looking run out much better. Well, it's a super spotty day here. The sun's out sometimes and then it starts to rain, so we're in a little break. Gonna clean out the wheelbarrow, and I think we're gonna try and pull a row of potatoes because there's a lot more to go. The hogs seem to be enjoying their bale. Not making too much mess of it yet, which is nice. Oh, they're eating away at it. Nice. Piece of twine. Take that out. Hi, Mama. Hey, too. Oh, yeah. I got nothing for you. Alright, off to the potatoes. A quick little overview of the greenhouse. Really performing right now. All these habs are finally starting to bud and flower. Got some fruit. And these ghost peppers and jalapenos are almost at my waist. And there's tons of fruit here. We're gonna have a huge crop of these ghost peppers this year, which is awesome. We're already not far from doing our first little jalapeno pick. You can kind of see them all throughout there. They're starting lots of flowers. This guy's got peppers galore on it. Some people like to pick them right now. I like when they start to cork. They just get a little hotter, fine once they've corked, but there is some amazing fruit growing in here right now. So I just dug out the first plant here, and this is what came off it. Definitely some nice size ones, some mid-size ones, and some babies. So if everything yields out that way, I think we're gonna have quite the crop here. We'll get to fill in this wheelbarrow and see what we got. So these are the hog paneling grates that we usually throw down. Just lets air go under and helps with drying. This is what we pulled off of 2-part rows, just to kind of get started. Lace them out, start drying. We're gonna need some space to pull honey here, spin honey in the next couple days, so not gonna load this up. Usually we have this whole floor full, but we got a few projects that are underway on that side, and we still need honey spinning room. So got onions drying on the table. We're gonna throw some potatoes down just to get started, see how they cure out, and I'll take it from there, I guess. Well, I'd say we got about a third of the potato pick, and there's potatoes. Definitely looks good. Didn't quite yield out as much as I was hoping, but then again, it's been a very dry growing season. We're only just getting rain now. Kind of to be expected. A little disappointing, but overall pretty pleased anyway. There's a nice amount of spud there, and there's still 2/3 left, so lots of potatoes to come yet. Just the way the season's gone, I suppose. We're gonna go feed the cows supper. Well, there's Tilly on top of the pile. Still fits in the feeder, I guess. These guys really don't get fed for supper. They got hay. Check water. And these little guys are on the start of their weaning process, so they're down to 1 milk bottle a day. Get their grain, but I still feed them some. Oh, didn't eat your spent, eh? I still feed them water, just to help. Come on, there you go. They drink it up, get the rumen going. and they get their grain. Come on, bud. He's not the best evening drinker, but oh well. I think I'll just throw that spent grain right on top of that, or that grain mix and calf starter right on top of that spent grain. Give him a little extra to chow on. Oh, you're a hot mess, eh? That should be like Darla. She's a good drinker. Done, girl. You're done. Okay, well, you can get some fresh here right away. One sec. Got some water in your tote. You're good. You're done, sweetie. Yeah, you're done too, pal. Okay. No, back it up. Back it up. Dump some of that juice out. There you go. There you go. Eat some grain. Yeah, look at all that grain. Be more like Darla, brisket. Silly guy. There they go. Good little calves. These guys have just been hammering the hay. Good stuff, eh? Tasty fresh. Tasty fresh. Now we'll look at Pebbles back in here quick while we're waiting for water. See if there's any movement there. My guess is no, but she found a calf one day here. Come on, girl. 3 amigos. Yeah. One day. Oh, hey again. What you doing out here, Mr. Scaredy? Mr. Scaredy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Okay, well, that's that.